I'm Robert Bell, and we're here at the 2013 NAB show talking with thought leaders in media contribution and distribution about some of the most important trends shaping the industry, from technology shifts to changing viewer expectations. And here's what one of them had to say about the most important changes taking place today.
Well, it's interesting because we have moved from the idea of the PC replacing the TV to, in fact, the TV that is becoming more kind of PC because you can install applications and all this stuff. And mainly the tablets are now replacing the TV, the PC. I read this morning that for 2017 there will be more tablets in the market than PCs. So that's interesting. And ourselves, what we have is a very interesting case because we have Transat. There is a bouquet that we operate ourselves, and this helps us to talk to the vendors and test all these things in the real world. And what we see, Eutelsat, is that the set-top boxes, the hybrid set-top boxes, and the connected TV, they are becoming the center of the multimedia experience in the home. And some of the things we are doing with Transat, for example, is integrating the satellite receiver with the connected TV to have a kind of single TV without set-top box that has also over-the-top and all these things. And another good idea that we are developing is to have the tablets, the PCs and all that connected to the TV or the set-top box as a hub for over-the-top and multi-screen applications. Well, what we see there is that basically HD is becoming the standard television, and 4K is the future. And of course, all the rest that we're talking today is about multi-screen and about over-the-top, hybrid television. Those are the big things that are being discussed. In fact, there are a couple of things that are interesting. On one side, when we talk about contents, I think there are more contents available ready for 4K than contents we had ready for HD at the moment HD appear in the market. So this will facilitate the introduction of 4K. The other thing is that also the upscaling from HD contents that are available to 4K has better quality than the one we had from SD to HD. So I think the introduction of 4K will be much faster than the introduction of HD. Well, as responsible of the service delivery in Eutelsat, my main concern, because it's the main concern of my customers, is the service quality. That's for sure the top topic. At Eutelsat, we are very concerned about the service quality, and it's of course the fantastic team we have behind. It's of course the technology you put there to deliver services, but there are other things that we have been encouraging to develop. One idea that is a carrier ID that we've been pushing a lot, and now the standard is there, and what we need to look at is how to encourage people to use it, definitely, because this will improve the quality of the satellite communications in the future. Other concerns that are important for the customers are the bandwidth. There is a need for more bandwidth and more flexibility, and this is coming with a new generation of satellites. I think yes, it will, definitely yes, because well, there are two trends. On one side is on the satellite part, where we are building satellites that are more powerful and more flexible. As we move to the upper part of the frequency spectrum, we have more bandwidth available. We have now multiple spots, narrow spots with more power. This permits us to provide more capacity. And on the other side, we see the vendors of the ground equipment developing new modulation techniques that are pushing further the limits of the capacity of the existing capacity. So at the end, all this is resulting in more powerful satellites with more flexibility.